Leilon Wi-Fi the gay, Fakiva, Langmai Nagagi, Meeoi Taruk Tamtina Hatkiva Dr. Chennaba, Atei Meeoi Singsu, Lakliba Numit Nini Manungda Pharagani, Habagi Tazabale Haina, Manipur Ki Home Minister Govindas Kontong Jona Fondo Cray, Lambigi Kudong Tiba Togdok Sing talk with the Asopan Nangaba Meeoi Sing Atuba the Mating Pang Namnaba Wakalon Dangasi, Manipur Drivers Association of Pirakpa Ambulance Gariani, Nasi Taubalamasung Bisnupur District SP Sing the Home Minister Govindas Kontong Jona Kusina Cray. Manipuri Laiba Civil Secretariat ke Ministerial Block Mamang the Pangtokpa, Asamba Tharom Amagaluna Ambulance Gari and Yadukusina Kibane, Tharom Madugi Kudong Saba Lauraduna Paumis in Hangba Wahangi Paukumda, Minister Govindas Kontong Jamna Hai, Leangmai Nagagi Meeoi Taruk Hat Kiba Todoka Marilena, culprit Anifare, Makatana Atei Sufana Operation Makasa 30. Lakliba Numit Nini Asida, Ahenba culprit Sing Pharagani Habigi Tazabale Haiki. Amaromda Thasigi Tang Taramatoida, Kanto Sabal the Yumai Tarambagi Todoki Matang, the Hangba Wahangi Paukumda Minister Hai, Todok Adubu, Langaki, Maike the Gay, Awang Watakta, Yaning the Bopongli, Kangogdana, Todok Adu Tokre, Mapam Aduda, Masingam Security Force Tamnibani, Adubu, Karai the Noama, Swabadi Lake Cray, Govindasna Makataraduna, Kanto Sabali, Yumai Taki Bagi Todok Aduga Mari Lena Meeoi Kun Faki, Makoi Kun Manungda, Atei Tadokraga Makatana, Wahang Pahong Taunaba, Meeoi Hum Detent Toduna Tamli. Makatana Togdok Aduda Chennaba Meeoi Sing Fan Honori, Langana Faikaliba, Tabaki Fal Soidana, Uba Fangani, Security Force Mikup Nahom Sing Laiduna, Tabak Tona Bakan Cray, Togdok Topamgi Manakta Manipur Police Amasung CRPF Tim Sing deploy Tokray, Ahenba Security Force Tamnabasu Honori, Togdok Topanumit Adugi Numidang Wadamda, Se Minister Yumnam Kamsana Mayatang Lauduna, Security Awang Bataki Mipam Supang Tokuna Mapamaduda Oiriba, Security Gifibam Yangshin Kihaina Fondoke, Amaromda District Police Tawal Amasung. Bisnupurda ambulance gari ani Lakliba adugidamak Manipur Drivers Association busu Minister Govindas na thagatpa phongdoke thoromaduga mari lenana saruyakiba Manipur Drivers Association ge General Secretary Sanjoy Ketrimim na haikibada Manipur Driver Association na Imphal Dimapur amade Imphal Jiribam lambida Thoaningda Todok Sing Thorakpada Hanadagi Hauna Driver Sing Angam Mateng Pangduna Lakli Masigi Saruk Ama Oina District Asigi Mapam Sing da Lambi Kudong Tiba Thorakpada Mateng Pangna Ambulance Sing Asi Kusinabane Ambulance Sing Asina Ana Ayek Asopan Sing Pukalapada Association Gi Maikedi Gi Selamata Laure Haiki.
We highly condemn, and there was also a lot of security deployment, but somewhere it has gone wrong. So we have already arrested 20 persons on the same day. Out of those 20 persons, 3 have been detained and all others were released. And we are trying to arrest more culprits. So the action will follow. No?
The incident place is pretty close to the military station.
So there is a lot of questions on it. No? So we have already asked them to always keep alert. And we have seen in the social media what was going on that very unfortunate day. And we are going to deploy more security forces over there.
So any more further areas from the Railway Biafra regarding the killing of these 6 Naga houses?
We have already arrested 2 culprits. Yeah. And the more are being arrested very soon. The operation to nab all those culprits is continuing. Hopefully within 2 days we'll be getting more arrests of those culprits. Thank you.
Thank you.